Welcome back in my YouTube channel Yashpal Spoken English, and today I brought for you mega star of Bollywood Amitabh Bachchan. Today I am going to speak biography of Amitabh Bachchan. Who doesn't know about him? You know that. So today I will tell you about the Amitabh Bachchan step by step, and I know that you also know about him, but I wanna tell you in detail about the mega star of Bollywood, Amitabh Bachchan. So he was born October 11, 1942 in Allahabad, and finally you know that his father's name was Harivansh Rai Bachchan, and his mother name was Teji Bachchan, and finally he completed his study in Tamil of Allahabad, and when he youngest, so finally one day he decided to be an actor of Bollywood, and so that he also came in Mumbai, and you know that just as like another an actor, he also faced a lot of problems, and because he flopped in starting in initial time, and finally he made 3 or 4 movie, and almost 3 or 4 movie also were flopped, and finally when he didn't get any work in movie, so one day he decided to return from Mumbai to Allahabad, and as well as he reached at station, and he also entered in compartment of train, and so finally suddenly a director called him, and finally he came down, he got out from the train, and he met a director. That time a director was going to make Janjeer movie. I think you might have heard the Janjeer. So finally I think you know that his luck was very good, and finally Janjeer movie got super duper hit. He became famous from Janjeer movie, and after famous popularity, when Janjeer movie got popularity, so finally a lot of directors wanted to meet. You have know that Sole. So in lead role was working Dharmendra, and so I think Dharmendra was a main role in Sole. So and he director needed another actor. So Amitabh Bachchan, because many such he disclosed that this thing Amitabh made to Dharmendra, and he requested him to be join in that movie to be an actor, and Dharmendra and finally told to director to be taken him in that Sole, and finally Amitabh Bachchan also selected by director in Sole movie, and you know that Sole movie Amitabh, Jai and Veeru I think worked very well, and finally Amitabh Bachchan got famous. Amitabh and also Dharmendra are got famous in Sole, and you know that today I think each persons didn't need to recognize the name of Amitabh Bachchan, and after nowadays Amitabh Bachchan above 60, and he made, after releasing the Sole, Amitabh Bachchan made a lot of several movies, and finally nowadays people know him as a mega star, you know that, and nowadays Amitabh Bachchan around 40 crores charge in per movie, and Amitabh Bachchan became famous to be in as a Bollywood. Amitabh Bachchan got married to Jaya Bahaduri. Nowadays people know her as Jaya Bachchan, and finally Jaya Bahaduri born 2 children. First Abhishek Bachchan got married to Miss World Aishwarya Rai, and Aishwarya Rai has only one daughter, Aradhya Bachchan, And finally, I think if we talk about Ashirwad and many Bangalore has purchased in Bandra, Mumbai, and Amitabh Bachchan also made, I think Amitabh Bachchan made around 300 movie, and if we talk about 250 movies had super hit. So you know that I think you don't need to understand about the popularity. And finally, Amitabh Bachchan nowadays also lived in his family in Mumbai, Bandra, and he has a lot of Bangalore, and you know that he has also purchased a house in New York and also Dubai. A few years back, I think he lost in his company, so he started to KBC, and you know that people know him as he is owner of KBC, and he fulfilled his loss. Don't forget to use like and comment on this. Thanks to all.